Imagine turning a simple idea into a cinematic video without expensive cameras, without a film studio, without hiring actors, without spending weeks editing. Just type what you want, and artificial intelligence helps create the video. Welcome to the future of AI video generation. One of the most exciting tools in this space is Runway. Runway has become popular among YouTubers, filmmakers, marketers, designers, and content creators because it brings advanced AI video features into an easy-to-use platform. What is Runway AI? Runway is an AI-powered creative platform that offers tools for video generation and editing. It helps creators generate videos from text or images, edit footage, remove backgrounds, create visual effects, and speed up video production. Traditional video production requires cameras, lighting, editing software, visual effects, and many hours of work. Runway helps automate parts of these workflows, making it easier to prototype ideas and produce content more efficiently. One of Runway's best features is text-to-video. Type a prompt like, "A futuristic city at sunrise with flying vehicles, cinematic lighting and dramatic camera movement." The AI interprets it and creates a visual scene based on your description. You can also start with an image and create motion with AI. Turn static pictures into moving scenes. Perfect for concept art, thumbnails, and visual storytelling. AI video editing saves you hours. It helps remove backgrounds, mask objects, clean footage, and handle repetitive edits, giving you more time for creativity. If you're a YouTuber, imagine generating original visuals tailored exactly to your narration instead of hunting for stock footage. Review and refine to fit your story perfectly. For marketers, AI videos create eye-catching product concepts, social media ads, and campaign visuals. Teams refine drafts quickly and launch faster. Filmmakers use AI to visualize scenes, test ideas, and create concept sequences before shooting. It speeds up pre-production and sparks creativity without expensive gear. Quality depends on your prompts. Instead of a beach, try a peaceful tropical beach at sunset, gentle ocean waves, palm trees swaying, cinematic camera movement, warm golden light. Details matter. Avoid common mistakes, expecting perfect results on the first try, using vague prompts, ignoring storytelling, or skipping video review. Great stories make videos unforgettable. In the future, creators will produce videos faster, marketers will generate campaign ideas in minutes, teachers will create educational animations easily, and filmmakers will prototype scenes without expensive gear. Remember, AI can generate visuals but not replace your imagination. Technology gives you speed, your ideas give meaning. Success comes to creators who learn to direct AI, not just use it. Runway isn't replacing filmmaking. It's opening new creative possibilities for everyone. Learn the tool. Experiment often. Keep improving.